Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up bulk discounts for your WooCommerce products. So, step number 1, log into the back end of your website, go to Plugins and select Add New. From the Add New page, go to the right hand side where it says Search Plugins and type in WooCommerce Bulk Discount. You're looking for this plugin right here. Go ahead and select Install Now and then Activate. Now that's activated, go to the left-hand side and go to WooCommerce and select Settings. Go all the way on the right-hand side where it says Bulk Discount. Now, bulk discount gives you different options for the discount type. You could do a percentage discount, a flat discount, or a fixed discount. So for us, we're going to do a percentage discount. If you want to change any of these settings, you can. I don't really think you need to. I think the out-of-the-box solutions are perfectly fine and work pretty well. So after you go through this, make sure to select Save Changes, and then go over to your products. So products on the left side, all products, and then select Edit Product. And now if you scroll down a bit on the bottom of the screen, you'll see Bulk Discount. So here you go, this bulk discount is enabled, and we'll say you will get a bulk discount, you will get a discount. The minimum quantity, so we'll say if you order 4 products, you'll get a discount and the percentage will be 20% off. And now all you have to do is scroll on top and say Update. Okay, and now let's add some products to our cart. We'll add 5, and let's select View Cart. And here you can see that the discount has been applied, 20% discount. And if we proceed to check out, that discount will remain there. Scroll to the bottom, and there you go. If you guys like this video, found it helpful, please give us a like. If you have any questions, ideas on next videos, please leave us a comment below. We do read all comments and we try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks guys.